If you ever worked with 3D render files in a compositing programs such as After Effects, Nuke, or Fusion, you'll likely worked with render passes. Render passes are components of a rendered image that are separated to help you manipulate and control the final image or image sequences. So, what are AOVs? AOVs, or arbitrary output variables, are essentially render passes. Octane's arbitrary output variable system is extensive and contains two types of editors, the OctaneRender AOVs and Octane Composite. They provide a way to composite the AOVs together directly in OctaneRender. Render passes, or AOVs, segregate the different aspects of the scene, rendering each aspect across multiple images. This is useful in fine-tuning projects with compositing and creating remarkable details. The OctaneRender AOVs can then be composited directly in Blender Octane using the Octane Compositor nodes. Here is an example of how multiple passes can be combined to create the final image. Don't worry about how these passes are created for now, just understand that a final composite image are made up of these multiple passes. In the next video, we will dive into setting up AOVs for the Octane Composite Editor. Thank you, and happy learning.